So I wanted to write Immediate Harm, which is the name of the book, for a long time. But it took that long time to figure out what the story would be. Because what Immediate Harm does is portray what the inside life of a lawyer is like, who's dealing with some of the most complicated problems we have in society right now. How does technology affect us? How does it affect our health? How do we regulate it to make sure that people and the environment are taken care of? That's what's behind this book, and it's the passion that motivates my life. I set up this organization, ClientEarth, 3 years ago in the UK, and now throughout all of Europe, soon to be in Africa and South America. We're lawyers working in the public interest to take care of the environment, to take care of the earth. The client is the earth, the client and everyone who sails upon her. What we're trying to do is to use the power of law, the enormous power of law, to shape society in such a way that it's safer for people and all living things. The book explores how that works through the life of one young lawyer. I was once a young lawyer myself, and the book uses all of that experience, decades worth of experience, and takes a day in the life of a young lawyer when he's working in a big corporate law firm. He's given a pro bono case, a case for the public good, and he doesn't want to do it. He's too busy. But he starts investigating it. He finds that some young girls have had their life destroyed by an unknown agent. What is the cause? He has to go and find out. He has to use scientists to figure out what the problem is, and he comes to decide, reluctantly, because he doesn't start out by being an environmentalist, he's skeptical, but he decides reluctantly that's what has happened, is that genetically modified crops, their pollen, have caused a terrible new type of schizophrenia in these young girls. How did I come up with the story? Well, I put myself the question of, if you took the intersection of the work of John Grisham and Michael Crichton, two authors I like a lot, so you put together real understanding of how the legal process works, real legal thriller, with cutting-edge science, where would you come out? And in addition to being a lawyer, an environmental lawyer for a long time, I also ran a brain science institute. So I worked with some of the world's leading neuroscientists and became very interested in schizophrenia and the causes of schizophrenia, and investigated the science very deeply, put together the science and the law, and the story in Immediate Harm was born.